If your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones noise cancelling is not working at all, you can't switch to it, or the ANC is weak, it's getting worse, and the performance is not good overall, then in this guide I'll show you how to get noise cancellation to work and improve its performance on your Sony XM5. The first thing that you should do is wear your headphones properly. The quality and strength of noise cancelling is directly dependent on how well the ear cups are sealed. Wear it properly so that your ears aren't creating any gaps in between, and glasses can also affect noise cancellation slightly. You can also try restarting your headphones, which can fix any software glitches that's causing noise cancellation to act up. Simply hold down the power button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Then turn it on the same way and see if it works now. If it doesn't, and you're trying to switch to noise cancellation using the button on your headphones, and it's not working, then we'll go to the Sony Headphones app, go to System, scroll a bit down, and expand the button settings. From here you'll need to ensure that noise cancelling is enabled, so that you can switch to it. Next we'll go to the Status tab, and from here you may turn off Adoptive Sound Control, because sometimes it can misdetect any actions, and noise cancellation will stop automatically. If noise cancellation is still not working, then you can try disconnecting it from the app and try using it. If it works without the app, it means it's your app's issue, so you can uninstall it and try reinstalling. And if it doesn't work at all, then resetting the headphones may fix it. For that, first turn off your headphones and hold down the power and noise cancelling button together for about 7 seconds until the LED flashes 4 times. Now your headphones are reset, so disconnect it back and noise cancellation should start working. After following all these steps, if it still isn't working, then try contacting Sony support, get your warranty if it's still available, or get your device repaired. So that's how you can fix noise cancellation issues on your Sony XM5. If this helped, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy listening.